Welcome to Lapus. Lapus was a part of the La Paz district ever since the latter was a town during the Spanish Rhine. It is common knowledge among the Ilonggos that the name Lapus came from the Hiligaynon word lapus, which means to insert or to pass through. Because of its location, the Lapus was established on July 16, 1937, and after several years of being a part of La Paz, Lapus finally gained its independence and district status on December 17, 2008. After the Sangguniang Panglusod, City Council of Iloilo City passed a resolution for the district to have its own police station and fire station. Lapus is a district in Iloilo City, in the Philippine province of Iloilo, on the island of Panay, in the Western Visayas region. The Lapus district has the least populous district with 31,747 people in the 2020 census. Lapus is the smallest district, covering 3.25 square kilometers, 1.25 square miles. It is 1.32 kilometers, 0.82 miles from Iloilo City proper, making it the nearest district to the city center. It's bordered by La Paz to the north and the city proper to the west. It also faces eastward across the Iloilo Strait at Guimaras Island. The district of Lapus has a total of 12 barangays: Alalasan, Barrio Obrero, Don Esteban, Halanduni Estate, Lapus Norte, Lapus Sur, Libertad, Lobok, Mansaya, Progreso, Puno, Siniquay. Lapus also celebrated the feast day of the patron saint Nuestra Señora del Rosario, Our Lady of the Rosary, on October 12. Also the feast day of Our Lady of Fatima on May 13. The Lapus has an Instagram walls is a unique tourist attraction for locals in which they enhance empty walls and take a look at the mural walls. And one of the fancy restaurants here in Lapus is the Mulye Deli. The location is secluded and the road leading to the restaurant is quite narrow. Ambience is romantic but also good for big and small groups. And also take a look at the Mulye Deli restaurant. Here in Lapus, we have our own two tribes. The two-time champion of the Dinagyang Festival, Tribu Ilonganon of Halandoni Memorial National High School, hails from Lapus. And here's a short clip of their performance. And the latest tribo that participated in the Dinagyang Festival was Tribo Taga-Barrio of Barrio Obrero National High School. And here's a short clip of their performance. Lapus is home to significant transportation infrastructure that plays a vital role in regional connectivity and commerce. The Iloilo International Port Complex serves as a major maritime gateway, facilitating the movements of goods and cargo in and out of Iloilo City.
Sa unang nga tiyempo naghambal ang aton nga mga katigulangan. Panwata palangga, hindi atagi problema para magka-lipay ta. Iloilo, Panwako, ang tanan ginhatag mo. Iloilo, Panwako.